Pradeepak. I'm the Commodore and coach at the Secunderabad Sailing Club. Uh, just finished the 6th Yachting Association of India Secunderabad Club GMR Sports Youth Open Regatta. Fantastic turnout, 115 participants, over 12 clubs, and we've had 5 days of racing with good winds, monsoon conditions, and also conducted team racing here. So it's been a very, very wonderful uh, regatta, and I think the true champions have won their trophies and medals. So very happy, and we look forward to the next edition as well.
And compared to last season, how is the competition level?
Yeah, so compared to last year, also I think every year it's growing. The numbers also are increasing. We make it a point to call the best officials right from across the world. This year we had officials from as far as away as New Zealand, Australia, South Korea, and so top officials in the world are coming for our event. So making sure that it's very fair and conducted to the highest standards. So kids are also coming to take part in it, gain some more experience. The officials conducted some clinics also, so it was good for everybody.
How many countries possible?
So mostly it was India. We had participation from Malaysia. One of the race officials were also from Malaysia, and 2 participants also came. We are hoping in the next few years we have more participants from across the world.
Chief guest, as the chief guest could not arrive, so I am here with you in this evening for the closing and prize distribution ceremony as such of the 6th YIA Secunderabad Club GMR Sports Youth Open Regatta 2026. First of all, I would extend my heartiest congratulations to all the prize winners who have just got applauded, I will put it that way. The medals and trophies which you have won is a reflection of countless hours of training, perseverance, discipline and determination. You have earned these honors through your hard work, and you deserve every bit of appreciation which you have received today. I also extend my warm congratulations to every sailor who participated in this championship. In sports, as you all know, only few stand to gain the medal or the podium finish. But every competitor who embraces this challenge competes with integrity and gives their very best in true spirits of sportsmanship. The experience you have gained over these past few days are achievements that will remain with you today after today's medals have been awarded. Watching this prize distribution, what impressed me most was not the celebration of victory, but the mutual respect, camaraderie and sportsmanship displayed by all the participants. These qualities are the true hallmark of a great sporting event. Sailing is one of the most demanding sports, but is also rewarding. Unlike many other disciplines, success depends not only on physical fitness and technical ability, but also on sound judgment, patience, courage, and the ability to adapt to constantly changing environment. Every race demands resilience, composure, and confidence. These are qualities that shape not only the accomplished sailor, but also the responsible and future leaders. Today's young sailors are tomorrow's ambassadors of India's sports. Many of you will go on to represent your states, your institution, and I'm sure our nation in the international waters. Whether that journey begins here or elsewhere, it will always be built upon the values you cultivate today: discipline, humility, integrity, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. I compliment Secunderabad Sailing Club for their sustained effort in promoting sailing and nurturing young talent. For your information, Secunderabad Sailing Club is one of the oldest sailing clubs of the country. For decades, this institution has introduced countless young boys and girls to the sports, providing them with opportunities to learn compete and excel in its contribution to the growth of sailing in India in a true competitive way. I would also like to congratulate the Yachting Association of India who is associated with this in developing the sports across the country, and would also like to compliment GMR Sports to support the youth sailing and creating opportunities for young athletes to compete at the highest standard. To the parents and coaches present here today, I offer my sincere appreciation. Behind every successful young athlete stands a family that believes in their dreams and coaches who patiently nurture talent, build confidence and inspire excellence. Your encouragement and sacrifice play an indispensable role in shaping these young champions. Dear young sailors, allow me to leave you with a simple thought. Celebrate your victory with humility, accept setback with courage, continue to learn from every race, respect your fellow competitors, your coaches, the rules of the sports and the water on which you sail. Always remember that medals recognizes performance, but character defines a champion as such.